A volatile market. Experts say Florida's insurance market is collapsing. This as a company that rates those providers says more than half of them could be given lower ratings, putting your wallet and even your policy in jeopardy. Now the state's insurance provider may be picking up the slack. 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell explains what this means and why people who don't own a home may also be on the hook.
When it comes to homeowners insurance in Florida, we'll start with the bad news first, and then we'll get to the sort of good news at the end. This is where things stand right now.
Havoc for homeowners, Havoc for insurance companies.
Mark Friedlander from the Insurance Information Institute says 27 out of the 40 insurance companies in Florida are likely about to get downgraded in the rating given to them by an agency that has reviewed insurance companies in our state for nearly 30 years. If those ratings drop, now you're in the hot seat.
When you have a federally backed mortgage, which about 65% of Florida homeowners have, you are required to have an A-rated insurance carrier.
So that means many people will now have to turn to the state-regulated and operated option called Citizens Insurance. The problem with that is, Friedlander says, they already have nearly 1 million customers. So that's not counting the new customers that will likely be coming from the downgraded insurance companies. Consider that, then think about how much they'll have to pay out if we get hit by a big storm. The sort of good news we promised earlier is Friedlander says they'll pay out your claims no matter what.
That could put citizens in a position where they would need to deplete their reserves to pay claims.
The problem with that is, Friedlander says, we likely all have to pay for it, even if you're not a homeowner.
We will all get a surcharge on our insurance bills, whether you're a homeowner, a renter, a condo owner, or even an auto owner. You have auto insurance in Florida. Every single one of us will see multi-year surcharges on our bills to replenish the funds.
Miranda Parnell, 10 Tampa Bay.
Friedlander told us that Citizens Insurance currently has $6.7 billion in reserves and $11.3 billion in claims paying ability. He says if your company is one of the 27 that is potentially being downgraded, you should immediately seek out an expert to help you navigate the current market.